this segment deals with the control panel inside the motorhome. This black panel does information for you, and it also operates certain things. If you're in a cold environment, you have tank heaters that are for your black water. You can turn it on if it's really cold outside, and your gray water, you can turn it on. So either one of those, and that's if you're below freezing. Your next switch is your water pump, and this is used to take water from the freshwater holding tank and puts it into your sink, your toilet, your shower, etc. If you're on city water, you do not need to use this. If you are not on city water, this switch should be on. The next two switches have to do with your hot water heater. You can heat your water either with LP gas or 110 volt electricity. This, of course, only works if your power cord is plugged into an external source. Right above this is a series of micro switches to give you this level of various fluids. For example, the first little one is for LP gas. Your next one is for your battery.